Are you tired of spending so much time trying to get that VA that you hired to actually do what you need to do? You're spending so much time getting them to post something or create a graphic, but in the end you're not getting any more results. You thought that investing in someone else running your social media would be the ticket to growing your business, but it's not because that VA is only as good as the strategy that you have in place. They just do what you tell them to do. If you don't have a system or a strategy, if you don't know what that purpose of that post is going to be, or you don't have a plan of what you need to tell your people, then you're not going to get any further. And many times you're going to spend time spinning your wheels trying to explain to the person what it is that you want and not getting it. So, this is where a strategy comes in. And this is how I help my clients to be able to scale with a team and get more results and be able to hand off the work that they need done and see it happen instead of just babysitting what's going on in the background all the time and then saying, why am I investing in this? It's not taking me anywhere. So if you have not built a journey strategy, this is your time to do that. What that means is that you have a clear idea of exactly who you want to talk to, what they need to hear, and where you want to take them. Now, what they need to hear is not your features and benefits. It's really all about the problems that you solve, the possibilities that you create, and what that means for their business and their life. Everyone has a problem, but 75% of the people don't know what that problem is or how to solve it. And this is where your content, your digital marketing comes in because you can show them where they're having problems, how to fix it, and then what to do to move forward. And this sets you up as an expert, but it also helps them see, hey, that's exactly what my problem is. I've been thinking I need to buy this new course. I need to buy a new scheduler. I need to invest in this or invest in that or bring on a VA or bring on a graphic designer. When really my real problem is that I don't have a cohesive plan of how people are going to get from point A to point B and then keep moving them to point D. And that's where a digital marketing strategist comes in.